boost ang ilang pag-register to by information campaigns, so which is I think one of the goals of this Kapihan, to ensure that our partners in our universities and government are able to assist us as well. And for our customers, we have actually made it free for them to access, no, so they don't need to load. There are many areas who are unfortunately in remote areas nga dili kayo good ang signal, no. So we are actually partnering with NTC as well to put up some sites in government covered courts to ensure na even those mga lagyo in far-flung areas can come down and register their SIM cards. Kaya as mentioned ni Atty. a while ago, many users are still using the basic keypad, no. Daghang pagigyapon kaya mga keypad users, no.
Kung wala pa naka-register, di ta magpaabot sa deadline. April 26, 27, di ta magpaabot. Dali ra gyud kaayo ang magpa-register, paspas ra. So atog yung buhaton.